Now we are going to see how to create the list in Python. Okay, list is nothing but one variable in that we can send the multiple values or numbers, letters, strings like that. So, so what I'm doing means I'm creating one variable, my list. You can put any of your name, your choice, my list. In this list, I'm assigning the values. You have to open the close bracket, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so this creates the list. Shift enter, so the list is created. So now if you want, print my list, shift enter. So you got your list values 1 2 3. We are My list is we are created one variable in that we are stored the values 1 2 3. When I given the print option, I got the output 1 2 3. That means one variable created and its values we stored in that values are 1 2 3. So now in not only the numbers, you can store anything like a alphabets, words, integers, floating numbers, decimal. Floating means decimal numbers. So one more, my string, my list, my list. Another one, my list two. We try write like this, my list two. So now open the close brackets. I'm storing some string, string string. Okay. Next is some numbers. For example, 2 comma 3. I'm storing some decimal numbers, float numbers. So 100.23. Okay, float numbers. Next, I'm storing some letters. When writing words letters, you have to use the single quote. So here I'm writing some letter A. Okay, so this is a my variable created. My list two is a one variable in that I'm storing the different types of data values, string, integers, floating numbers means decimals and alphabets. So shift enter. Now your list stored all the values. Now you will print it. Print my list two, my list two. Shift enter. You got all the whatever the list values will be there, string 2 comma 3, 100.23 and the letter A. So this is how to create the list of value, list variable. In that you can store the list of values, numerical, floating, strings, alphabets. Okay, so for example, if you want to, for example, my list 2 is a one list. In that you have the some values I want to be know what its length. So the function length my list 2. Okay, len is a one function which gives the length of the list, my list 2. Okay, so now shift enter. You got 5. So what its meaning is, how many will be present? One, wait a minute, I'll mark it. How many will be present? Okay, so now here this is a 1 2 3 4. This is a 4 5. Total how many elements will be present? 5 elements. So it written length will be 5. 5 elements will be present, therefore it returns its value will be 5. In the same way, sorry, in the same way, for example, uh, we'll take the what is the value of that one? First one, my list. What is the my list? How many elements? 1 2 3. 3 elements will be there here. Okay, we'll write that length of my list, length of my list, shift enter. So what is given its value 3. Why? Because the first what you have created variable, list variable, how many elements will be present? 3 elements will be present. So it given its value will be 3. So like that you can create the list variable. You can store the multiple data types in that, and you can find what its length also. Now we are going to discuss the adding new elements to the list. Adding new elements to list. So what is the list? List is a one variable which store the multiple data types of values. Shift enter. Okay. Adding new elements to the list we are doing. So for that what I'm doing is I'm creating one variable, my list is equal to, in that I'm storing the values, some uh, 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Now press the shift enter. Your list is created. For this list we are adding the new elements. So how we can add means, so my list, my if you want we will print its value, print, check the my list is the values will be there or not. My list, shift enter. Okay, you got 2 3 4. For this 2 3 4 I try to add the some other values. So how to add means, the syntax is my list, okay, your variable name dot append, you put it as a append. So I'm adding one more element, that is assume 8. Okay, so now this 8 is going to be added to the my list. Now press the shift enter. So now we'll check it whether 8 is added or not. Print my list, shift enter. Now there 2 3 4 8. So it is added. Wait a minute, I'll little minimize this. Okay, so now uh, for my list, now the my list has a 4 values 2 3 4 8. I want to add some other string type, that means like a word string type data type I want to be added. So what I'm doing is my list, my variable my list dot append. Okay, append. So I'm adding the some string. When you add the string, you have to use double quote or single quote. For example, I'm adding data science. Okay, shift enter, shift enter. So now for the my list, we are added the one more, that is a data science. We will check it. Print my list. Okay, shift enter. Wait a minute, shift enter. So data science, the string type data type is also, sorry, string type data is also added to the my list. What is that? Data science. Data science is a string type. Okay, now next I'm adding some floating, means like a decimal numbers. My list dot append. Append is to add element. Okay, I'm adding some 3.2. Shift enter. That line is executed. We will check it. Print my list. Now in the my list we need the new number, that is 3.2. Okay, so you got 3 point. Okay, that's good. So this is about the how to adding the numbers, strings, any other data types to the list variable. So not only this, you can extend this, uh, you can extend the list. For example, what its meaning means, for example, I'm taking some other one, my list to some another variable and taking my list to I'm storing in this some 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, to understand I'm taking another new variable, so shift enter. So one list variable created, we will check it, print my list to my list to. Now shift enter. So 5 6 will be there. So I want to be extended this list, that means I want to be this list, I want to be add another list. How we can do means, previously what we did, we added single number. So now my list, for this list we are adding another list. If you want, all right, for a list we add another list. Okay, uh, this we are going to do. For a list we add another list. So my list to what is there, 5 6 7. Now wait a minute. So my list to what is there, 5 6 7. For this we add another list. How we have to do means, my list to my list to dot extend. You write the function extend. Okay, in this extend I'm giving another list. 5 6 is there or no? So I'm giving some 8 comma 8 comma 9 10. Okay, for 5 6 7 list we are adding 8 9 10 another list. Okay, shift enter, it is added. We will check it by print option, print um, my list to my list to. So now 5 6 7 already is there. So for that we are added here, what is there here, 5 my list to 5 6 7 is there. We are added, what is that, 8 9 10. Okay, if you want, the list is, what is that, my list 5 6 7. For that what we did, we are added 8 9 10. Okay, we got its output. So see here, what is the output now, what you got, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So two lists are combined, two lists are combined. This how to add the elements to list and adding another list to list. Okay, this is a process.